Welcome to the March 26, 2021 video version of the Wagner Daily. My name is Rick Petticelli. As usual, this video replaces the written commentary portion of our report every Thursday night. Hopefully it serves as a nice change of pace as well as offers some insight as to how we set up our charts, what time frames and indicators we use. First up, we're going to run through a few broad market averages, and then we'll cover some potential long setups for Friday's session. So first up is the market-leading S&P-500 index. Put in a bullish reversal candle on Thursday after closing below the 20 EMA on Wednesday and undercutting the 50 EMA and reversing higher to close back above the 20. If the price can push through Thursday's high and hold, it will be back above the 5, 10, and 20-day moving averages. So since the S&P 500 is the leading index right now, any stock that we're looking at for a potential swing trade, we want to see holding up better than the S&P 500. So these stocks should be above the 50 and preferably above the 20-day EMA to show relative strength. And we'll get into a few of those setups a little bit later on. So the S&P 500 bullish reversal candle, can it follow through? Next up is the NASDAQ composite. And I'd view Thursday's action is short-term bullish. After closing below support around 13,000 on Wednesday, the price opened lower and reversed higher, so it's a nice shakeout. But the true test will come when the NASDAQ runs into resistance here from 3 downward trending moving averages and this short-term downtrend line. So we may see a 1 or 2 day bounce and then some stalling action and then further selling. And that's just one scenario out of many that could play out. No predictions here, just noting that overall that the 20-day EMA is below the 50-day EMA on the NASDAQ. So even if there's some short-term strength, overall I think this downtrend is still in control of the price action, and the NASDAQ will have a ton of work if it wants to reclaim the 50-day EMA. And IWP trying to put in a higher low. Bullish action on a pickup in volume. Let's see if this ETF can reclaim the 20-day EMA. So going back to what I mentioned earlier about relative strength, the S&P 500 is above the 50 EMA. At the very least, any stock we're looking to enter should be above the 50 EMA, preferably above the 20-day EMA, showing a bit of relative strength. So as for potential long setups that could be in play on Friday, we're looking at AMG. Pretty solid relative strength here, holding above the 20-day EMA. Solid uptrend. Bullish reversal candle on Thursday. Could be in play above Thursday's high. XOP reversed off the 50-day MA. This is the oil and gas exploration and production ETF. So some of the stocks that are looking pretty good within that area are CPE. There's a short-term downtrend line break. A move through the 2-bar high could put CPE in play. And there's DEN, which looks really good here. A very tight consolidation. A move above the 2-day high could put DEN in play. MTDR is another break of this downtrend line here, and a move through Thursday's bullish reversal candle. So as you can see, there's several energy-based setups out there. And then we're still just taking a look at crypto-related stocks. We're not buying anything right here, but just noting that SI did hold on to the 50-day MA, which is bullish price action on a pickup in volume. Let's see if the price can tighten up within this range here over the next few weeks. And the same goes for Mora, which held the 50. Let's see if we can get some sort of range contraction over here. So that's it for potential long setups. We're playing it very conservatively here. Just looking at stocks that are part of what's moving right now. Generally, we like to trade growth stocks, fast-moving growth stocks, but they're not in favor right now. And we'll likely stay away from the growth area until we see a follow-through day in the NASDAQ composite. That's a wrap for tonight's video. Thank you for joining me, and we'll see you again next week. Have a good one.